for 2 years.
Okay.
So because
Which place?
that is far west, in the far west of Nepal.
Okay.
There are Himalayas, there are mountains, and government has waived off the royalty fee for climbing mountains.
Okay. That is
for,
how much?
for expedition groups.
That was how much earlier?
No, there was no no royalty fixed because those are the new mountains now. New mountains being opened,
Okay.
which were not opened earlier. So that's going to be an attraction for expedition groups now, you know, because Everest, Annapurna, Manaslu, all these are very well known, and many people have climbed. But people would go to climb those mountains who have not been climbed so far. They want to be the first to climb it. So for them, we are giving a special offer that is free royalty for 2 years. So we are hoping to get more expedition groups to climb those mountains, to climb those unclimbed mountains. Let me put it that way. Okay. And similarly, Kathmandu is not only a city or the capital of Nepal, but it is also gateway to Kailash Mansarovar.
Yeah.
And I being operating Kailash Mansarovar tour since 1987, you know, so I have the opportunity to serve many Indian pilgrims and NRI group from abroad and European American people for adventurous reason. And for other countries, we get many NRI people. From India, I get many people to go to Kailash Mansarovar. So Kathmandu has also an attraction that people would spend some time over there before going to Kailash Mansarovar. That is there. And also Kathmandu is not far away for Calcutta people after being this connection between Nepal and between Kathmandu and Calcutta by Buddha Air. You know, they are having flights. And the other day I was talking with Buddha Air chairman, and I requested him to keep this flight every day instead of having only 4 days. And this is right now is quite encouraging because they are getting a lot of people. Hopefully they will keep everyday flight between Calcutta and Kathmandu.
Very soon.
So that will also be an advantage to promote Nepal. And we know Bengali people are very interested in traveling. So I was told sometime that they save little bit of money every month, you know, to keep moving, like that. So Nepal is waiting for Bengali friends to show them Nepal now, and those people who have already been there, they would remember what Nepal was, and those who have not seen, they would be seeing Nepal, which is now. And it is interesting with mountains, people, and the culture is the same. So Indian people don't have to worry about visa. There is no visa. And also recently Nepal government and India government, both of them have agreed to accept 500 rupees note, 200 rupees note in Nepal. And Indian people were not allowed to carry 500 rupees note earlier to go to Kathmandu, but now they can carry 500 rupees note also. Yes, they say only 25,000 rupees a person can take at a time, but people can take more than that also. 500 rupees is now widely accepted in Kathmandu, in Nepal, which was not earlier. So that is also one of the advantages Indian tourists are getting. And moreover, as I said, they don't have to worry about staying there long. They can stay there as long as they want. There is no visa. And the culture is same. Nepalese people are also very friendly, nice, and we like Indian people, India, because India has been our very old friend since time immemorial. So we are just waiting to welcome more and more Indian people
from Calcutta.
from
India.
Calcutta and all, from all over India. Yeah.